Since the year 1980, ZANU-PF has governed Zimbabwe, and in that time, it has come to believe that it is Zimbabwe, but it is not. Sanapinda mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi ari kuudziwa pana kuti ZANU-PF is not the state. The messy ZANU-PF succession wars panguva inoi ari kunzi ari kukosta macitizens. Sanapinda mashoko ari kuda panapa achinyorwa ndoti bva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa Muchinji Radio ichiuya ichivaudza kuti aiwa you the ZANU-PF members amuzi nyika yose yando the state vanombonera mberi vachiti ZANU-PF has systematically blurred the lines between party and government, using its power to suppress dissent, manipulate laws, and monopolize public funds. Nowhere is this more evident than in its handling of state resources, like the Political Finances Act, where opposition parties that meet the legal threshold are entitled to funding. ZANU-PF hoards this money, distributing only what it sees fit, mainly to puppet actors that mirror its interest. This is not governance, this is political bullying. ZANU-PF longs for a one-party state, but the people of Zimbabwe want something entirely different, a functional democracy. After 45 years of mismanagement, Zimbabwe is burdened by: number 1, a worthless Zim dollar, rampant unemployment, daily power outages, empty hospitals, unsafe drinking water, skyrocketing education cost. This is not progress, it's collapse. And now, as ZANU-PF jostles for succession and control, it unleashes state security forces to crush voices calling for change. Why? Because many within ZANU-PF fear accountability. The looting, the corruption, the abuse of office, these are legacies they hope never come to light in new Zimbabwe. But change is coming, and when it does, it must come without the ordinary citizen paying the price for ZANU-PF's messy internal wars. ZANU-PF is not the state, and Zimbabwe is not its property. Tomashoko ari kuudzwa panapa vakomana veZANU-PF nemapropaganda avo vachiudzwa neChange Radio. Muputidze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi nenhau iyi. Pinai comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chitota on the bell icon.